Hello friends, by default, PowerShell send output of a command to the PowerShell host or console. Means if we run any command, we will get its output on console only, and we can refer this output as long as our console window is open. Once our console window is closed, we cannot refer the output anymore for that particular command. In this example, we are trying to run a command and you can see we are getting output on console directly. Sometimes we may have some cases where we would like to capture the output so that we can refer it at later time. We can capture the output by directing it to a file. File may be with any extension, like it may be a text file or it may be a CSV file or any other format it may have. We will discuss some common methods of output redirection in coming slides. We can use out-file command to redirect output to a text file. Append parameter is used to add contents or output to an already existing file. Force parameter is used to write contents to an already existing read-only file. In this example, we are trying to add output of a command to a text file. Many times, we may face cases when we need to capture output of a command in some file, and also at the same time, we need to pass this output to the following command using pipeline so that this output may act as input to following command. T-object command is used for the same purpose. Using this command, we can send output to a file, and at the same time, we can send this output to the pipeline for next command. In this example, in first command, we are sending output to a file, and at the same time, this output will be sent to next command as well. Because we don't have any other command after T-object, so that this output will be sent to the console directly. In second command, because we have one command after T-object command, so output will be sent to text file as well as to the following command using pipeline. Redirection operators are also means of redirecting output to a file. Single forward arrow is used to write output to a file. If file already exists, it will write contents to that file. If file doesn't exist already, it will create the file to store the output. One thing to note down here is that it will override the existing contents, if any. So please be extra careful before using this redirection operator. Double forward arrow is used to append output to a file. The only difference, the only different thing in this operator is that it doesn't override the contents of already existing file, but it appends the content. If file already exists, it write the output to the existing file, but if file doesn't exist already, it creates the file for us and then add output to that file. Now let's recap. By default, PowerShell sends output to the PowerShell host or console. We can direct the output to a file. Some methods of output redirection are out-file command, T-object command, redirection operator.